This compact 12-volt Protmex Mini Buffer Polisher offers both dual action and rotary modes, making it gentle enough for beginners, yet capable of correcting light defects and swirl marks. The included pair of high-capacity rechargeable batteries and onboard digital display for speed and remaining power make longer detailing sessions far more convenient and predictable. With 8 clearly stepped speed settings ranging from lower, wax-friendly speeds to higher, defect-tackling speeds, it is easy to match the tool to everything from applying sealant to refining polishing work. Its cordless design, relatively lightweight and well-shaped grip reduce fatigue and make it comfortable to maneuver around tight curves and vertical panels. The small backing plates and assortment of compact pads let this mini polisher reach trim pieces, pillars, bumpers, and other intricate areas that full-size machines tend to miss. A thoughtfully equipped kit that includes different eccentric blocks, a straight extension, and a generous selection of pads means most users can start detailing right away without hunting for extra accessories.